Hey guys, since this is just a wig styling video set to music, I figure it's a good time to do an update without having to actually make one that it's its own video. So I made a video after KomoriCon about how I realized how hard it is to actually vlog while wearing a cosplay with props and really no way to carry around a backpack or other kind of bag with me. After that, I started really looking into my channel and I made some decisions. From now on, I'm planning to do at least one tutorial style video per month. Every second Saturday of the month, there will be a video that shows how to create something related to cosplay. And I said tutorial styles. What I mean by that is videos that will fall under this one per month thing, which are videos like the following. This wig styling video here, where I style a wig to look like a character, or step-by-step tutorial videos, where I show you how to make a proper armor or something, and work vlogs where I talk in real time as I'm making whatever it is I'm making. Now, this does not mean that I'll only have one video per month. I'm going to do my best to upload twice a month. The second video every month will be some other kind of video that is still cosplay and convention related, such as if I go to a con that month, if I can get vlogs out, then I will for those cons. So those and my reviews will also be that same month, along with whatever the scheduled one video per month is. Or whenever I do things like tips and tricks on certain aspects, or reviewing something that I've bought that's a cosplay item, something like that. Those will be like my second video per month. The difference is the tutorial style ones are basically the same kind of video, and then these secondary ones will change depending on whatever I have that I can make a video about. So whereas on the second of every month it'll be making something related to cosplay like a wig, armor, a sword, a gun, something, whatever, the second video every month is going to change. One month it could be tips and tricks on how to be confident or something like that, and the next month it could be a review on a cosplay that I bought. It just depends on what I have and when I have it. Anyway, that's all I have for the update, so enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys later.